MxD is the Department of Defense's Digital and Cybersecurity Manufacturing Innovation Institute. Our whole function is to bring together experts in the field to understand what the challenges are.
Today's workshop and conversation is very important for awareness. Water is a critical infrastructure. Critical infrastructures are cybersecurity targets.
Today there's 600,000 unfilled jobs in cybersecurity. We need to figure out how to close those gaps. That gap isn't going to shrink over time, it's going to increase because cybersecurity is a problem that's not going away.
Cybersecurity is the front line of an emerging threat around the world, really. If cybersecurity theft was quantized as an economy, it would be the third largest economy in the world, over $5 trillion. And so this is something that we are behind the curve on, and we're playing catch up.
MxD is the ideal place to have these kinds of discussions because they bring together the right experts to make sure that the stakeholders are well informed in making right decisions.
The collaboration in these workshops, especially with water treatment facilities, is a great way that we can identify problems and solutions and work together from different perspectives.
MxD offers a unique collaborative space and an open discussion platform for vendors and manufacturers of all kinds to come in, cross-collaborate, think openly, and come to a very educated decision on the next steps towards cybersecurity.